think 2 days they are here,
Yes.
and some Somalis they have the same problems.
Yes.
But believe me, there is many problems now. For all these people, they have many problems. They are people. There is a human rights.
So your name was, sorry, what was your first name?
Haider.
Haider. Yes, so in Finland, what is new as compared to previous years is the volume, because we are used to having 3,000 or 4,000, and then very established centers, as you know, just a handful, 20 centers. So now we have so many, and at the same time, during the last 2 years, the law has the law has changed more than ever in these 20 years I have worked in this field. There have been so many changes. First, in summer 2015, there was this temporary permit.
Yeah.
So that in summer 2015, the law changed. This temporary permit, it was Article 51, was removed, and at the same time, there is now this that the reception center director says now services are finished. That was not so before. Then there was this humanitarian protection. You are very well aware that before that was very wide category. That was removed. So I think since many of you came to Finland, the law has changed a lot. And then also now when the law changes, so it's applied immediately to those who have been waiting. I think as a lawyer it would be fair that the law, when it changed, it only concerns those who apply after that, who leave application after. So I think it's very kind of harsh that the law is applied in that sense retroactively. So now we are and then also the system, like I think legal aid, what is the standard of legal aid? Of course, when there's a lot of pressure, so there may be question of standard. And of course, in our office, we used to have 75 caseworkers. Last year, we had more than 500 caseworkers, and there was a lot of pressure to decisions passed. So I'm sure even we have tried our best. So I'm sure that some of our decisions were not correct. And then now the appeal courts. There are now 4 courts dealing with appeals, more than 10,000 appeals. So I think it's very difficult, but I have to say that you have to be now patient. There's no immediate solution to all problems, but we are working on that. The courts are working on that. We are trying to help the situation, but there's no immediate fast solution.
But believe me, it's not just like we don't need immediately solution. But believe me, there is some people trying to kill themselves because of that.
Yes.
Yesterday I have a person who was here, he was trying to do something for himself if no one came and answered his question. Do you know how many families, the father got asylum and his son, just 19 years old, he got a negative, and they say, he have a son and daughter, and they say for them, you can return back to Baghdad, and they are from Kirkuk city, and the father and the mother, and they have another 3 kids, they got asylum here. And there is many cases I have the decisions and all the proof for that. The sister got asylum with the same case, the brother got negative.
But did he appeal, the brother? He has to appeal.
Of course they appealed, but the problem, the appeal took many months. Like me, I am a case in front of your eyes now. I appealed for 14 months. I got negative decision in 21 December 2015, and just before 2 weeks, the administration court decided to return my case to the Migri. Do you imagine that? 13 months. They took 13 months just to read the case and decided to return.
But you see, we got 2015, we got 10 more times applicants. Then we had to hire totally new staff. But I feel that in Sweden, we have decided nearly all cases from 2015 by now. Sweden, they need nearly the whole year, at least before September. They have not cleared that, so it's even bigger backlog. That's why we can't make wonders.
I know it's not possible and it's hard for the employer there in the Migri or in the administration court. But the problem, the answers, the decisions, it came with the negative.